What's going on, guys? Seancutshair back with another video. In this video, I'm going to be cutting my guy Philip's hair. He's one of my barbers at my shop. If you guys don't follow his YouTube, it is The Barber Phil. I'm going to link it in the card up above. You guys will be doing a mid fade with some texture on top. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Let's get right into it. Alright, so we're going to start off doing a deep point cut. We're just wanting to add a lot of texture to this. He kind of likes the length, so we're going in 45-degree angle, cutting some nice deep notches into this cut. We'll work our way all the way from front to back. Then we'll do a little bit of a vertical cross check. Then we can move on to the sides. I'm gonna go ahead and blow dry this all the way dry. That way my clippers can feed into the top. If you notice when I cut the top, the sides are a little bit heavy and they're definitely hanging over, but I knew that when we come in with our first guard, we are just gonna blend right into that, as you can see here. This is a number 4 guard, all the way closed. We're letting that clipper feed straight up off the head, right off the parietal ridge, and blending right into the top. That's gonna set us up with a nice canvas to come in and do our fade. So first off, we're gonna do a ball guideline. He likes it from the top of his C cup, just the vertical bars left. We're gonna go ahead and bald out the sides. We're gonna take a little bit of the beard off. He does like that faded look on his beard. So we'll come in with the slim lines and bald this all the way out before using our shaver to get it all the way down to skin, and then we can start the steps of our fade.
You're listening to Redneck.
I'm gonna go ahead and fade his beard in while we're here. So we did a 2 guard closed with the grain, flipped it up, 2 guard against the grain. Here's our 1.5 half open. Now a 1 guard open. Immediately after that, 1 guard closed. Then we can pop that guard off, do an open clipper, and then fade the rest of this out just like we would, halfway closed and all the way closed at the top. Now we're gonna come in and make our first guideline. You guys can see this is a little bit of a higher fade, not a lot of room to work with. So this is about a 1/2 inch guideline. We're just gonna follow our ball guideline and make a nice consistent open section for us to start with. Now because I punched the guideline in with the slim lines, we're gonna go ahead and our first step will be scooping that bald line out with the same trimmer. After that, we'll start with the clipper all the way closed and bump that line up just a little bit more. And then the only dark line that's left behind will be taken out with the clipper halfway open. Once we're done with these 3 steps, we can use our lever to take out any dark spots that are left before moving up. Next step is a 1 guard all the way open, and again we're going to make this a pretty tight section, so about a 1/2 inch, and I am trying to flick out as much as I can. I want to see this guideline, but I don't want it to be too harsh. So we did the 1 all the way open. Immediately after that, we can come in with the 1 closed and we'll start to work that line out. Anything that's left behind will come out with the 1/2 guard. Like I said, guys, it is the magic eraser. We'll get it most of the way worked out, and anything that's left, that 1/2 guard will take out. Next, we'll come in with the 2 guard all the way closed, and we're trying to flick out into the 4 that's above. Sometimes you can get away with just using the 2 guard. On this cut, guys, I will come in with a 3 guard after this and make sure that we have a smooth transition into the top before taking that line out in between. Now that we have that done, our next guard is a 1.5. I start with it halfway open, and we will go after the line between the open 1 and the 2 guard closed. Anything that doesn't come out, we can close that up, and then we can work our way back down through the guards and use our 1 guard again if we need it, and our half guard until we're happy with this fade. You guys can see the dark spot right there. A lot of people have this area that always is going to end up dark, so I'm just going to keep working at it, and you guys will see it's going to take some work, but we will get it out and get this nice and smooth. Now that we have the blend nice and smooth, I'm going to come in, give him a nice vertical bar. I'm pulling his length out of the way, and we are going to give him a little bit of a sharp corner. We'll get his line up together and then move on to the other side. Alright, we're going to knock out this other side super quick time lapse. Real quick, I want to tell you guys, I know he's been on my channel before and you guys have heard of him, but if you're not following him, head over to his channel, The Barber Phil. Show him some love, guys. He is trying to get to that first YouTube milestone of 1,000 subscribers. He's just over 500, maybe almost to 600. So if you guys really rock with me, go show him some love. He does have some nice content and he is putting in work. He's going to keep at it, guys, so it's going to continue to get better, and you guys will learn a little bit different things than you see on my channel. So I definitely recommend following as many different people as you can so you guys can soak up all the tips. I will tell you one thing he does very well is he explains why he does everything that he's doing, and that's one thing I would say is good about his channel. So we're gonna go ahead and move on to the back, guys. Same steps as the sides. So we have our ball guideline already. We've already blended into the top, so we're starting with our open section. Open clipper, then we'll come in with the slim lines at the bottom of that, close clipper after that, and half open to take that last line out. You guys will see as I'm working this out, I'm gonna go ahead and take my open clipper and we're gonna give myself a little bit more room to work. There's a little bit of indentation where you guys can see these dark spots. So I went ahead and raised my section just slightly. Now we're using our half open clipper to blend the rest of this together before we move on. Now we're gonna come in with the open one, and you guys can tell I am working from the fade on one side and then to the fade on the other side to make sure that we connect it nice and even. So we've done our one open, we'll immediately come in with the one closed, 2/3 of the way up into that section, and of course, as always, the half guard will take the last dark spots out between these two sections. And you guys can see that magic half guard, the magic eraser. It's just gonna bring this all together. And the last thing we'll have to do is connect this to the weight that's above. Now we're taking that 2 guard, coming straight up off the ridge of the head. You guys can see I'm letting that feed. It's gonna connect nice to the top. All we'll have left after that is the 1.5 guard. We'll polish this fade off to move on to styling. Alright, I'm going to add some clay to his hair. It is a matte clay. I'm just going to put some product in it. I think I jump around a little bit here. I'm going to put some product in it. We're going to go ahead and do some color enhancement. Then we'll come back and give it a finished style. Now for the color enhancement, this is the Beam Team XL with the Tomb45 No Drip. We are using black brown, and this is my enhancement card. You guys can get it on Seancutshair.com. When you use all three of these together, guys, it is a lethal combination. The No Drip is definitely next level for enhancements. The Beam Team XL being a cordless compressor and the enhancement card. You just can't beat it. Now we're gonna come in with the Dyson with the diffuser, and we're gonna try to add some texture to this. We're just gonna kind of scrunch the hair up, give it a nice finish style. We noticed at the very end that his hairline wasn't quite straight, so I'm gonna go in here, I'm gonna touch it up, and then we'll be done with this cut. I did do some razor work, but it was blurry, so I left it out. But you guys can see the finished product here. I will tell you guys, my brother Cuts by Coast just did the same exact cut on Philip. So if you guys want, head over to his channel, check out his video, and let me know who got Philip together the most. If you guys like this video, smash that like button, leave me a comment down below, and let me know what you think. And I'll catch you guys next time.